Morning, sixth graders. Today we are going to pause a little bit before our next lab on freezing and then our lab after that on melting because I wanted to show you this figure right here. We're going to study this figure today. I would like for you to draw this out. In class we will be drawing it out together. If you're in Mr. Stark's classroom, I would like for you, I'll send paper up there and you can draw this out there. If you're at home, draw it out at home. This figure is really, really important for the past 3 labs that we've done and the 2 upcoming. And I just want to talk a little bit about what this means. Okay, so we have our 3 states of matter here, solid, liquid, and gas. And we've talked about how heat is energy. Okay, so if we add energy into this system, obvious things are that a solid will turn into a liquid, right? If we add heat to ice, it's going to go from a solid to a liquid, and that would be considered melting right here. That's what this arrow represents right here. If we add more energy, then this liquid is going to turn into a gas, and that we know as evaporation. And then here, if we add energy into this right here, she becomes a wild animal. Oh, yes. She just got back from the vet. She got all of her boosters. Oh, there she goes. Okay. Down here, if we remove energy, okay, so that would be cooling, right? If we remove energy or there is a lack of heat, that's really what cold is a lack of energy. Water vapor is going to cool down. Those molecules are going to huddle together and they're going to turn back into a liquid, and we know that as condensation. Okay? Again, we remove more energy. This liquid is going to turn into a solid, and we know that as freezing. All right, so this whole system right here, melting, freezing, evaporation, and condensation, will change water from one of 3 states to another just by adding energy or removing energy. And again, we know this as heat, right? We know this as heat. I will post this figure on the Google Classroom, okay, for you to study and draw out yourself. I think that the act of actually drawing this out and labeling it is going to lead to longer term memory, okay? And then there's also a little video clip that I want you to watch about this today. All right, and we'll talk more tomorrow when we do our freezing lab. Talk to you soon.